There you go. Oh, you're almost there, Sweet Pea.
You can do it here.
Hey, wait, hold on a second.
Hold on.
Hold on, Landry. Just real quick, I want to let you know that most people are like, man, I wish I went higher.
Okay.
And I'm not even lying.
Then I'll go all the way.
All the way?
Yeah.
Do it. Okay.
So brave.
Landry, that means I have to go all the way now.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! Yes! Oh, that's going to be fun.
Keep going.
Woo!
Keep going.
All right.
Alrighty. Give me a good stance. Give me a good stance. Alright, when you're ready, pull that cord. Yank it.
There you go. Woo! Great job! Nice! You did it! Throw her a ball! Throw her a ball!
That was awesome.
Nice job, sweetie.
I bet you could if you tried. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Landry, how much fun was that?
Sophia, wait a second.
Sophia, back here, baby.
What's your name?
Maddie.
Matt. 94.
Best swing ever.
Give me a thumbs up.
Kirsten got stuck because she yanked it but it let go.
Perfect.
So the guy yanked it for her,
Just
but
like a
she
low
didn't
pony.
know that he
Give me another thumbs up.
Oh, oh no.
How'd you hurt your tendon?
I
Hey,
Tumbling?
girl with the orange ball, what's your name?
Sophia.
Sophia, that's what I thought. Can I have that for a second? I want to toss it to her.
All right, Landry, catch it.
Oh, that's good.
Landry, I want one of these at home. Good job, sweetie. Woo! You want to throw it back to him?
Yep.
You guys want to throw her the ball?
Can I?
Oh, good job.
But stay in front of this line, or behind this line if you can. Who wants it? Who wants it?
I do.
Get ready.
Oh boy.
Alright, ready to
Uh-oh.
throw you the ball. Kind of hard with your face another way. There we go. Here it is.
Oh, nice
So
throw.
close.
Here's another one.
Completely missed. No.
Give me another thumbs up, Landry.
Can Chloe go? Me. Ready?
Yay! Woo!
Kind of reminds me of bench ball this.
All right. Cross your feet.
Who's next? I'm mad. Yeah. Yeah, me, Chloe. No, you don't have a helmet on or harness, do you? Make a middle. 2 ball.
So glad.
Step up.
That's to catch one of them. Hey, what? You're the most.